Hello, welcome to FocusERP tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to create purchase orders automatically. To do that, we would go to Menu, Procurement, Purchase Order, Suggested Order Report. Select that, and you will see a screen like this. If someone has recently run the suggested purchase order report, you'll see a list of inventories that require purchasing, like below. Run the report again by clicking Generate New. You will see a warning that it may take some time to run. It should take only a few seconds, so let's go ahead and do that. The system will show a list of items that require purchasing. The order quantity for each item will depend on the demand, supply, minimum quantity, or reorder quantity that has been set up for that item. We can select each item individually that we would like to reorder, or we could select all. Let's go ahead and do that. You will see that all three items have been selected. And the next step is click Process Selected. Click OK to confirm. And now you will see new purchase orders have been generated for those items in this list. So there are some from previous lists, and there are some that is just from the list that we had just looked at. All right. We could further examine the items that we need to purchase by clicking on the purchase order here. And if these items are correct, the pricing are correct, we will go ahead and send this to the vendor to process. It is that simple to create purchase orders automatically. And we hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.